Hey traders and investors, it's Rod with Power Group. Welcome back on the Pursuit of Wealth for a daily market recap. It is Monday, March 15th, and in today's video we're going to be discussing the daily bull flag confirming on the S&P 500. But before we jump into today's content, make sure to smash the like and subscribe to the channel. So we'll go over some news and events on the day, then we'll look at the broader market and some individual stocks as well. So Biden eyes his first major tax hike since 1993 in next economic plan. You can check out that full article. I won't go over it in detail, but expect some more details on that and further developments here soon. Rogers Communications to buy Shaw in a $26 billion deal. So seeing some consolidation there in the communication sector, and will likely be good for the Canadian companies, but huge deal. Walmart spending $500 million on Canadian store upgrades and also closing 6 locations. We saw that Texas power retailer Griddy files for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. And we saw some crypto FUD today accelerate as India to reportedly propose cryptocurrency ban penalizing miners and traders. So you can check out that, but that obviously weighed on the space today. And we also had a trading halt on MVMD. A couple of our members in our group are in on this ticker and not sure if this is going to be bullish or bearish, but let me know in the comments below if you're in MVMD, what you think, if it's going to be positive. Hopefully it's not dilution or anything like that, but hopefully positive news regarding potential partnerships or potential results from one of their trials. So we'll keep close eyes on that, but that was still halted at request of the company. So we'll see if we get some news on that overnight tonight. So crypto was bouncing here to start the morning, but we were consolidating and we're now bouncing again, but we're just looking to set 4-hour higher lows, and we are consolidating on the daily and daily higher lows potentially here at EMA 12. And if we do see further consolidation, we may need to test EMA 26, but bulls looking to save it here with a dip buy and closing it over above EMA 12. We've got about just under 4 hours left before the end of the day. So again, we need to change the 4-hour trend now. We did change the 15-minute trend this morning, so the 4-hour higher low looked set, and we have a couple inside bars here, so getting really tight, looking like it wants to break bullish, but we'll look to get as big of a bounce as possible here on the 4-hour, come up, likely set a lower high compared to 60,601, and then form a higher low and then change that 4-hour trend. That'll give us confidence that the daily higher low is set. But daily consolidation underway on Bitcoin. So taking a look at the S&P 500, so confirming its daily bull flag we mentioned last week, and we broke the high, so we had an all-time high close and a brand new all-time high sitting at 396.69. We close at 396.41, and we're down 1 penny here after hours, so not really much has changed there. But this confirmation of the daily bull flag, this is great that we broke the high and we're confirming it, but in my opinion, we need to see follow through tomorrow. And if confirmed and we see follow through tomorrow, we could be targeting about 405, 410, and 400 has been a target by many analysts for many years, and you can expect that there would definitely be profit taking above 400. So just be cautious as we ascend higher here, but it's looking good. Daily bull flag confirming. QQQ looks like, well, we're still in a daily downtrend, but setting daily higher lows here. If we break the recent high at 319.86, that would confirm a daily trend change and uptrend. And then we'd be looking at resistance up here at about 324.33. 324.45 actually, and then after that a lack of resistance. We also have a gap here at 329.97, and then all-time highs up at 338. But close near the high of the day. It's looking good. The dollar daily inside bar, so we'll see which way that breaks. If we break bullish, then the daily bounce will be still intact, and then if we lose the low here, we risk a potential daily downtrend with a lower high and a lower low. So if we lose 91.36, that would confirm a daily downtrend. So taking a look at a few other sectors, IWM was up about 0.5% today. And we haven't changed the daily trend there yet. We haven't even consolidated on the daily, so likely due for some consolidation. We'll see if we see any kind of rotation tomorrow. SMH, semiconductors, looks like it changed its daily trend. We had resistance at 234.93, and we had 235, so we broke that. That is now a daily uptrend confirming. Again, need to see follow through tomorrow. US oil was consolidating today, but holding EMA 12. EMA 12 has been rock solid here the last few days, and a nice base of support. And the metals, silver and gold, also going for their daily trend change attempts. So we'll be watching. Silver needs to break 26.45 to be in an uptrend on the daily, and gold, the level to break is 17.39. The biotech sector was up 1.17% today. So nice green day. The home builders ETF saw a nice 2% green day today. XLE was down, not surprising, off the back of US oil weakness. So the energy sector was down today, one of the weaker, and the financial sector was down a little over 0.5% today, consolidating on the daily. So again, we'll see if we see some rotation from these different sectors tomorrow. XLV, the healthcare sector, closed near the high of the day. Again, hasn't changed its daily trend. This is all coming off the lows at 109.93. So we will expect to top out eventually, form a higher low, and change that daily trend. A lot of names needing to still change their trends. So just taking a look at the bull and bear list on some individual tickers, GME, DFLY, and BB leading the decline today. AMC, NGA, JMIA, and MVMD leading the bull list. And we had some news about Tesla, Fremont facility. Bunch of staff members tested positive, so we saw a little bit of FUD there, but stock didn't really care. It closed up over 2%, sitting at 707. So no major red flags. Everything pretty much across the board was green. So I'll do another video going over the MJ space here in a few minutes, but we're going to leave it there. So we'll be watching tomorrow. Need to see follow through and daily trend changes on as many names as possible. Still a lot of indices and broader markets that haven't changed their daily trend. So we'll want to see daily uptrends confirming, SPY confirming its daily uptrend and daily bull flag. So that's good to see. Like I said, need to see follow through tomorrow. So just be cautious of a potential top around 400. But the daily bull flag would take us to around 405, 410 level. And need to see follow through tomorrow. So thanks for joining us on the Pursuit of Wealth for a daily market recap, and we'll see you a little bit later on for a MJ sector review. Best of luck going into tomorrow. Have a great night, and we'll talk to you again real soon.